Where's Buddy? Hello, mate. What are you doing down there? The tree. The most important thing not to forget. Pooh barrow pine cones. Tree decorations and van decorations. Try not to drop them. Ginger nut crackers. Farm related paraphernalia. Including Jacob Marley's chain. A very well worn, festive head collar. Donation bucket. Woohoo. And turns out, didn't actually need the lights. I was very stressed trying to find them yesterday. When I looked at the photos from last year of the tree, it didn't have lights on the actual tree, just had lights around the base because it's like a natural tree. Ooh. Natural tree, so we decided not to have lights on the tree, so didn't need these, but I think we might put them on this year instead. I think we might put them on this year. Excuse me. Sniff, sniff. Still quite frosty. That's it, all loaded. Tree, step ladder, poo barrow, decorations, feed bags, farm related stuff, lights that we do need now, charity donation bucket. I think that is everything. Whew. Wish me luck. I'm quite excited about this. I was a bit stressed yesterday because of the lights, but actually the day's here to decorate the tree and I'm really excited. So let's go and get it done. I'm not wearing a festive jumper today because I'm wearing my uniform, but I have got my festive top. I have got my Rudolph scarves, which, you know, I've got out for today. I've got my festive gloves, my all-time favourite festive gloves. Absolutely love them. Wear them every year. And then I've got my earmuffs, tree earrings. I'm all set. done. There were some light issues, light shenanigans. The saga did continue, but the tree's up, all decorated. I can relax. Time to go home. That's me back home. I don't think Mrs. Elvis and I are going anywhere else today, but we will be going out again tomorrow on this busy week of ours. Bye for now.